Hello everybody, Doron Arati, Hair Transplant Advisor. Today I'm going to share with you another repair result by Dr. Maras at HDC clinic in Cyprus, Nicosia. Unfortunately, this patient and myself have something in common. We both went to the same consultant agency that took us to our first procedures in Turkey, and we were botched with terrible damages. But on the good side of the story, we both went to a repair procedure that was done by Dr. Maras at HDC clinic. Let's see the patient's condition before he had his first procedure in Turkey. This is the patient. As you can see, he's a No 3A class. He doesn't have any hair on his frontal area, no hairline, only a bit thin hair on his center of his frontal area. Let's see the final result from the clinic in Turkey. This is post 1 year result. The patient complained there wasn't much of a growth, no density, no hairline, any regression on his natural hair. But for worse news, he also complained about his donor area. It got severely botched with many scars and depletion. This is causing by over-harvesting, by brutal work of punch. This is why I always tell patients that punch procedure should be only conducted by a very high-skilled doctor and not a technician. After a new research, the patient decided he will go to a repair procedure at HDC clinic in Cyprus. Dr. Maras explained this repair is going to be very complex due to the severe damages, but he will repair his frontal area and also his donor area. Now let's see the repair result by Dr. Maras. This is 1 year result. As you can see, the hairline was back with great density over the frontal and the mesoscope. And this may gonna surprise some of you, but Dr. Maras only used 1,800 grafts only for this repair procedure because the patient's grafts are much thicker than the average. And for more better news, this is the repair of the donor area. One of Dr. Maras' specialties is to repair FUE scars from amateur procedures by using non-grafts for that. Some patients, I do recommend them to use bird grafts, but for this case, Dr. Maras only trim and gradually trim the scars, which change the appearance and the aesthetics. As a consultant hair transplant advisor, I do not recommend you to go to cheap black market clinics. Usually they charge between 2,000 euros to 3,000 euros, and they don't follow the microscope protocol. And it's only technicians that do the whole procedure. The surgical parts must be only made by the doctor, the MD doctor himself, a very high-skilled doctor. I was lucky enough to have a repair because I was botched in one of those places. Also, the patient I showed before, and unfortunately, not on every case you can do a repair procedure. So please do a deep, detailed research before choosing a clinic. I'm Doron Arati, Hair Transplant Advisor. You can always have a free consultation with me with no obligation. Please subscribe my Facebook, my YouTube, and my Instagram channels. See you next time.